In the tapestry of Islamic history, certain figures emerge not only as protagonists, but as architects of epics, shaping the destiny of empires and leaving indelible marks upon the annals of time. Among these luminaries stands Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan, a figure whose life embodies the trials, triumphs, and transformations of an era. From the sands of Mecca to the palaces of Damascus, his journey illuminates the intricate interplay of faith, ambition, and governance. Join us as we embark on a voyage through the corridors of history to unravel the captivating saga of Muawiyah, a statesman, a visionary, and a custodian of legacy. In the echoes of history, Muawiyah's legacy resounds as a symphony of resilience, ambition, and governance. His tale transcends mere chronicles, offering poignant reflections on the dynamics of power, the complexities of leadership, and the enduring quest for unity amidst diversity. As we bid farewell to this chapter of remembrance, let us carry forth the lessons gleaned from Muawiyah's legacy. The importance of adaptability, the pursuit of excellence in governance, and the recognition of history as a living tapestry woven with threads of triumph and tribulation. May his story inspire generations to come, igniting within them the flame of inquiry, the spirit of leadership, and the quest for a better tomorrow. For in the annals of time, Muawiyah's tale shall endure, a beacon of wisdom guiding humanity towards the shores of enlightenment and understanding. Muawiyah's journey from a staunch opponent of Islam to a revered leader demonstrates the complexities of history and the transformative power of faith and leadership. His legacy serves as a reminder of the diverse narratives within Islamic history and the enduring lessons they offer for future generations.